Arrow's T601 6-in-1 multi-use tacker combines all of Arrow's best tools into one handy tacker. The T601 is pro-grade, but easy to use for DIY projects around the home. Capable of firing 6 fastener types, the T601 is the perfect tool for a multitude of projects. The T601 features a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum body, comfortable rubber grip, and convenient bottom load magazine. This tool includes a power adjustment switch to accommodate for stapling into harder and softer surfaces, a staple viewing window to let you know when you need to reload, a grooved wire guide to protect wires while stapling, and a belt clip so your tool stays with you on the job. The T601 works with all sizes of the following types of staples and nails: heavy-duty T50 staples, light-duty JT21 staples and T13 light-duty staples, low-voltage wiring T25 round crown staples, 18-gauge brad nails, and 18-gauge pin nails. The T601 has a convenient switch in the front so you can choose your fastener type. Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to reload the T601 multi-use tacker. The T601 has a bottom load magazine, so we recommend turning the tool upside down and opening the magazine by pressing the release button in the back. Make sure the staple legs are facing up towards the ceiling. Then drop them into the magazine. You can now close the magazine, making sure it locks in place, and turn the tool back over. The T601 uses a variety of staple types. If you're inserting brad nails, pin nails, or round crown T25 staples, make sure the nails and staples rest up against the side of the magazine following the illustration of the arrow on the bottom of the magazine. You can now close the magazine, making sure it locks in place, and turn the tool back over. Make sure the selector switch in the front of the tool is set to the required fastener setting. If you're using T50 or T25 staples, the switch should be flipped up. For T13, JT21 staples, brad nails, and pin nails, the switch should be flipped down. And now you're ready to get back to work. Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the T601 multi-use tacker. First, turn the tool upside down and open the magazine. Clear all other staples out of the magazine. Then you can use a pair of needle nose pliers or a flat-headed screwdriver to grab the jammed staples. This tool uses a few different types of staples and nails, but the unjamming process is the same for all of them. Now you can insert a fresh strip of staples and close the magazine. And now you're ready to get back to work. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We would love to see the projects you're working on.